Blondie, come here. Come here, Blondie. Come up over here. Good dog. Say hello to Liz.
Hi, Liz.
Having breakfast, right?
Having breakfast. Oatmeal.
With all the dogs.
All the dogs. All the dogs. Oh, this is a mama dog. Mama dog has 3 puppies. Mama dog has 3 puppies. Mama dog.
Blondie, come here. Come up here. Go sit next to Mom. Sit down. Good girl. Hey, Skinny. Come here. That's Skinny. George. This is George. Here's the mama dog. She's got 9 puppies.
How many?
9.
9?
Yeah. And we got a couple of stray dogs that hang out because we got so many dogs here. This is Lucky on a chain. Just spilled his water over. Hi, Lucky. Okay. We got dogs everywhere. Got them under there, too. Show your teeth. Okay. There's 15 dogs out here guarding the place. Keeping Mom company. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Oh, here comes another one.
Who's this one?
That's Fred.
What?
And this is Spot over here. Good. Hey, Spot. They're happy.
This is such a wonderful, David. Look, this is a wonderful way to
Way back out there, we got some horses, huh?
to protect your place. The place of all these dogs here, the barking they're gone. Of course, the guy who worked for you, he made it possible.
All right, say goodbye. We got some more over there, some more dogs. Okay, there's dogs around the house too. Bye.